Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn about the least recently used algorithm. So this algorithm is better than the FIFO algorithm but worse than the optimal algorithm. And so here we are going to use the past knowledge rather than the future knowledge. So in the case of optimal, we are going to check the future pages that are going to enter the main memory. So here we are going to use the past knowledge for the replacement of the page frames. Okay, so replace the page that has not been used in the most amount of time. Okay, so in this algorithm we are going to replace a page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So in the case of the FIFO algorithm, we are going to replace the page which is the oldest page frame, even though we may use the frame or not. So we are going to consider the only oldest frame here, but here we are going to replace the page which has not been used for the most amount of time. So we are going to consider the time here. Okay, so associate the time of last use with the each page. So we are going to mark the how many times the page is referred in the frame. Okay, we are going to consider the hit ratio of the particular page. So it is a good algorithm and it is a most frequently used algorithm. Okay, so here we are going to perform the LRU algorithm here. So here already there is a given that the reference string 701 203 042 303 and 03T. Okay, so we are going to load the number of pages to the main memory frames here. Okay, so here first three, so initially the frames are empty, so we are going to load the 7, so which gives a page fault here because the 7 is not there in the main memory and first time we are referencing it to the main memory. Okay, so next, so we are going to load the page 0 here, right? So it is going to give a page fault because we are going to first time load the page to the main memory. And then so we are going to load the page 1, so which is giving a page fault since it is the first time we are loading it to the main memory. Okay, so now we have to apply the LRU algorithm. Okay, so we are going to replace the page that that has been in the that has been not used for the longest period of time here. Okay, so here for the first frame, so we are going to consider the 7, right? 7 is not used for the longest period of time, so that's why we are going to replace the 2 in the place of 7. Okay, so there is a page fault here and 0 1. Okay, so here there is a hit, right? So since 0 is already available, so there is a hit of the page 0. Okay, so we are going to mark this one. Okay, so now we have to replace the page 3 here. Okay, so page 3 we have to replace, but here already so 201 are the frames available in the main memory. So at which place we are going to replace this? Okay, so we have to replace this in the place of 1. Okay, since the 2 is recently used and 1 is recently used, right? Okay, so 2 is recently used and 0 is recently referred here. So 1 is the frame that has not been used for the longest period of time. So we are going to replace the 3 at this point. So 203. Okay, so next is 0. So 0 is already available in the main memory, so that's why we are not going, so there is no page fault and there is a page hit, right? So 203. Okay, so we are going to mark this. So next 4, so we have to replace the 4 here. So here 3 is recently used, so 0 is recently used and the 2 is not used for the longest period of time. So we are going to replace the 4 in the place of 2. Okay, so 4 0 and 3. Okay, so there is a page fault, right? So that's why we are going to round up this one. Okay, so next one is the 2, the page 2. Okay, so here 4 is recently used, 0 is recently used, and 3 is not recently used, right? So we are going to replace the 3 in the place of, so we are going to replace the 2 in the place of 3. So 4 and so 2 we are going to replace here 0, right? So there is a page fault here, so we are going to round bubble this one. Okay, so next one is page 3. So here 4 is recently used, 2 is recently used, and 0 is not recently used, right? So that's why we are going to replace the 3 in the place of 0. 4, 3, 2. So there is a page fault. We are going to round up this one. Okay, so next we have to replace the page 0. Okay, so here what is the so which frame is not used for longest period of time? 4, right? So 3 is recently used and 2 is recently used. So we are going to replace the 0 in the place of 4. So 0, so there is a page fault, right, for 0. So we are going to bubble this one and 3, 2, right? So next one, so 3. So 3 is already there available in the main memory. So there is a page reference for this 3. So we are going to mark the 3 value. So 3 is already there in the main memory. So we are going to mark the 3, right? So there is a cache hit here, right? Page hit. So next again, so 0 is already there in the main memory, right? So 3 and 2. So this is also page hit. And 0, 3, 2. So here also there is a page hit. 0, 3 and 2. So there is a 2 is a page hit. So which is already there in the main memory. So here in the LRU algorithm, so we are going to, so it works sometimes it works similar to FIFO algorithm. Okay, so in the FIFO algorithm we are going to consider only the oldest frame. So here we are going to, so when there is a page hit, we are going to consider that also for the further reference. Okay, so including the oldest page frame, and also we are going to also consider the time here. Okay, so if a page is not used for a longest time, then we are going to eliminate that one from the main memory to the secondary memory. Okay, so here the page replacement algorithm is looking backward in time rather than the forward. Okay, so here the total page faults are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So here the total page faults are 9. Right, so total page faults are 9, and the hit ratio here is 6, right? Hit ratio is 6. So this is about the LRU algorithm, and thanks for watching my video. Thank you.